Good morning, children. Let us start our first chapter, numbers from 1000 to 10,000. Children, in our last session, we have revised the place value, expanded form, and number names of 3-digit numbers. Today, let us now add one more digit in it. Now, there will be 4-digit number. That is 7583. But what will be the position of 7 which we have added? Can you guess, children? As we start from ones, then tens, after that hundreds. So what do you think, children, will be the next position or the position of this 7? Yes, it will be thousands. Children, here, as you can see, after 5, there is a comma. Do you know why? It is here, children, to separate thousands from hundreds. In order to increase the readability of the number, we put comma from right side. So, now how we will read the number according to its correct place value? It will be 7583. Here, 3 is at ones place. 8 is at tens place. 5 is at hundreds place. And 7 is at thousands place. Let us see now how we will put numbers in place value table. Now, observe this place value table carefully. Children, here also we will follow the same rules. Children, what is the place value of 6? Yes, it is ones. So, we are going to write 6 under ones column. Now, what is the place value of 9? It is tens. So, it is written under tens column. Now, what is the place value of 7? Yes, it is hundreds. So, it is written under hundreds column. Now, what about the place value of 2? Can you guess, children? Yes, it is thousands. So, it is written under thousands column. Children, in the same way, we will do for the next number. So, in this way, we put numbers in the place value table. Dear children, to enhance your knowledge, please visit this link.